Come aboard and bring along all your hopes and dreams. Together we will find everything that we're looking for. One Piece. Come along with me as I badify this Luffy cosplay. Obviously, you're gonna need the straw hats. You're gonna need this red fabric, a glue gun with glue sticks, and a pencil, marker, pen, anything that works. So I removed the fabric and I used that to measure the red fabric so it can go perfectly around the hats. And then you're gonna have these different strips. One is for the bow, and these two other strips, you're gonna see what it's for. I'm just folding the bow, and I'm using a little piece of the red ribbon to make my beautiful bow. And that's how it turned out. It was really simple. I just kind of folded it, hot glued it together, bada bing, bada boom. And as for here, you're just gonna put hot glue all around, not all around, but like all over one side of this fabric. And you're gonna do multiple layers of hot glue. As you can see, I'm doing more and more hot glue so it goes all around it, because that's what goes around the hats. And that extra fabric that I showed you, I honestly just glued it on the hat, and then I cut it. I cut the end so it makes the perfect ribbon. And zooming in here, you can see that it's all hot glue. You just really need hot glue and scissors and red ribbon. It's just that simple. Y'all don't need to go and buy yourselves a Luffy hat. You can just make one by buying a hat at the dollar store or anywhere else. I bought mine at Ardennes. Yeah. All right.
Anyways, guys, the makeup. It's gonna be simple. And just like that, my cosplay is complete. I am Baddie Luffy. Say period. I am Baddie Luffy. Yeah. What she said. Yeah. Alright, guys. This is the look. Yep. I didn't do much of the makeup. Just eyebrows, highlight, and obviously the Luffy scar when he tried cutting up his eyeball. If you know, you know. Watch live action. The earrings, the jewelry, and here's the see of the hat. Yeah. The bag. Everything just giving. And I have to show the rest of the outfit. Hold on. Look at the abs, the wrap around. And then look, my sandals. No free feet. A special guest. We have Miriam here. You gonna say anything? She made that herself. Her dress.
Get into it. I made this dress. I crocheted it. Ooh, we're so cute.
Yeah. Anyways. Today's a beach day, everyone. I am cosplaying as Luffy. We're gonna take pictures. It's gonna be great. Yeah. I don't know why she's acting so shy right now. I don't know what to say. She was singing. I was about to get. Anyways, our fit checked. Gotta put it lower.
Fashion, just today, I made myself.
This is, I can't tell the store. I don't shop there anymore. This is from Garage. These are just like Ardennes, Amazon, Guess. And the hat, I made it myself, but the straw hat was from Ardennes. And accessories from Hot Topic. Yeah.
So we just did, because realistically speaking, we were like, oh, we're gonna leave at 1.
She's vlogging too.
We're gonna leave at 1, and it's like 3, I think.
It's okay, because it's our only chill day, I think.
It is our only chill day. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then see you guys later.
It looks so good. She's making me take pictures, but it's okay, because I'm gonna make her take way more than I'm taking of her. Way more. Today's your photo shoot day. You've been asking me the whole time, do you want photos? Do you want photos? I'm like, just wait till Saturday.
Hey man, I knew it was coming, so I was like, I have to get my pictures in. Plus, we're on vacation. Who doesn't take pictures while they're on vacation?
Literally. She's getting shy now. I told her not to.
Yeah, because I don't like taking pictures with life.
All right, we're done. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy I'm back with my weekly uploads. Oh my goodness, 2 videos came out last week, and this week we're doing 2 more. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays are the uploading days. Bye! Don't forget to like, comment, hit the bell to be notified of my weekly upload. I love you.